Cottonelle toilet paper is so much longer than a roll of the leading brand's Red Pack
Come on, guys.
that if we had a puppy for every extra sheet,
Hurry up. Oof. There'd be 100 of us.
be kind to your...
This is the New Mexico Emergency Management Agency. An emergency has been reported, and citizens of New Mexico must
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Mexico Emergency Management Agency, Santa Fe, New Mexico. All residents in the state of New Mexico must go indoors immediately. More updates will follow.